So hello guys, og today we're here at Fairlane, Guadalupe. We just bought ngoyong, by the way, at Doming's and Bernard's and Cheng, and that's a funny story, by the way. Ato lang kanin tuyo ko na para you can see what happened to one of the most legendary ngoyong places here in Cebu. Para you'll see, this is Fairlane. So, ay na lang, oy. Hindi na ako matuyok. Pero yeah, matuyok ta. So this is Fairlane, Guadalupe, and I guess some of you might have lived nearby or kanang nanas abroad karon, di ba? This is a very quite small subdivision, pero this place is famous for ngoyong and some food. Napay Spanish restaurant diri na suki. Tanaw na to atong ipakita ninyo. What happens if you come inside Fairlane subdivision? So man Fairlane subdivision. So gamay ni na subdivision diri along Guadalupe dool sa Guadalupe na eskwelahan, and then mauna sila. Mauni ang mauni may tapo kung moari ka rin ay Bernard and Cheng o Doming's goyong so nituyok na ta para you'll see the spectacle na pag diring lugar ilugan ka kanang Aranios galing tapad o kanang Aranios lami kay na Spanish restaurant sa diha. Yeah, dayon mao ni atong ni tuyok nagbalik. So mga mig Spanish restaurant ya pohon diha mga on ya mi diha, pero I don't know unsa ano say lisod yung parking diri, di ba? But mana Doming's Ngoyong is one of the most legendary ngoyong places here in Cebu, and sikat ni sila, especially sa mga diri sa Guadalupe, daghan kay suki, some even nga mo order na daan manawag. And unfortunately the guy, I think si Doming's passed away. Then si duha ka anak and ang duha ka anak wanted to continue the ngoyong business, but not as one, but separately. Separate sila. So maunang ang usa retain the name Doming's, and the other one is Bernard and Cheng. Si Bernard ting ang anak, di ba? And then si Cheng man ay asawa. So manang nahitabo nila, and it's a funny thing about succession ba, pero masala lingaw kaayo, they still retain katong same apartment or same house, pero karon na it's a house divided na. And practically, I don't know, atong tilawan unya, is there a difference with their ngoyong na ating gamay na tweaks gamay na giusab. But basically mo na nagyapon mga loyalties ba na even sa muranig War of the Roses, kini War of the Ngoyongs na mga suki, na suki kang Bernard and Cheng's, na sa suki ang Doming's. It's a pretty funny or interesting story na mura na how a family still managed to continue the business. Dayon, di ba normally ang problema sa uban ang succession is wa na mo continue sa business. So matunga siya. Di ba? This time noon kani both wanted to continue the business, di sila magkasabot or di sila magka-partner. Then okay, then I'll make my own ngoyong place, you make your own ngoyong place. And practically we still live at the same castle. So tunga na lang ta. Di ba? So different, it's a quite interesting different twist ba sa nahitabo sa ila ba. Normally ang uban dili ing ana. So that was in Guadalupe, mo ni Virama Avenue. So diretsohon ni nato, di ba? Ano man ni ang what you call Banawa, Esquina Banawa. And Banawa has slowly become the one of the most interesting na lugar kanabang when it comes to food tripping, food spots. So sa Cebu kay daghan kay restaurants ri pocket what you call it, pocket developments na maybe mao na lang atong muliko na lang kita diri para diri ta agi para makita nato. So we're gonna tour Banawa as well. Para makita sa akong wife ang pinadakadakong Starbucks diri, Kenny Rogers. Hopefully napatay data. So hello guys, welcome to our drive, and today we're gonna have a pretty little drive here in Banawa to check out Banawa, which is some say is the next foodie street of Cebu. Kay naida kang developments like there is a right side kita kaana. Kanina 13 Plaza na building. Dire. Di ba tanaw ka ng left and right. Nay developments kani 13 Plaza bag-ura ko ni kaon diha. Daghan og laming kan anan diha. Karon nagpagyo noon pero so money kanawang mountain dito of Tisa. Pero yes, we will find what's new in Banawa on this drive. It's all about Banawa. We actually had a drive naputol lang kay natuwang ning akong camera. Pero we were in Doming's Ngoyong, so it was cut short. Pero yeah, it's just a filler na lang. But this time we're here in Banawa because speaking of Banawa now, say soon to rise sa left side, say soon to rise commercial building sad. Dool tungod ni sa Maham kay naman diri ay big school, a medical school, or yes, medical and allied medical school ang Maham. Matias H. Asnar Memorial Medical School. So mauna. So diri ang kuan. One of the daghan ang nang-enroll diyan. There are a lot of foreigners even studying at Maham, like Indians. So di ba diri sila. So sa left side na diri ang Kermit's, morning 168 to 30th Street, 100% cafe. Di ba? Grabe, daghan diri. But later we'll see some of the newer developments. Naningon sila di na Banawa, Labangon na siya. But naglisod man kay na but we just generally call this place Banawa mangod. Ug nabre lugar na way mga tubig na kana tungod sa Tino, that people are providing water, and that's good. That's like part of the government service. Di ba? May padayon lang ta. It's a challenging time. Sa right side, we have a good Filipino restaurant which is Kalipay. Kalipay means happiness. Kalipay. Makalipay bang pagkaon diha? Well, I think nakasuway man mi and nalipay raman sad misad, di ba? Kalipay. Unsa man kuan diri nagnamay naguba na jeep or basta may standby sa manidagan man di ay. Ano man is mananggod naglingkod-lingkod man dito good. Well, anyway, money Banawa na kuyaw na kayo. Naman wag ni emerge lang gini bag-o lang. Sa right side more like kaning the marketplace, wildfire, kani. Na di shopping center, ani Rose Pharmacy na Ikaya, yan ay there's undahan gamay ni 7-Eleven, o dari ang McDonald's. Paseo Arcenas, another one of the first the developments sa Banawa, ang Paseo Arcenas. Pero maning Starbucks kada dako nara Kenny Rogers na din kana Kenny Rogers dako kaayo, and there's Starbucks. And McDonald's there. Hello, naputol na sad. Di ba? Amazing. So man ato na yung combine lang na drive. Nagsumpay-sumpay na noon ni si kaputol, but yeah, anyway na natas Labangon and on our way home. So man in Rosalina Village. Hopefully okay lang tanan. So mana na i-conclude na to tong drive in a bit because I think taas naman sa to ako na tong ni-stitch into one crazy file. Mahibong muna. We started a trip gikan sa Doming's, Fairlane Village. Then we continued on to Banawa. And now mo end rin napita sa Labangon na. Dire. Kaning Labangon. It's another another barangay. Pero technically katong Starbucks kuno hindi na to Banawa. That was Labangon na. So it's a pretty interesting drive lang na murabag I just showed you marawag some of the favorites sa old Guadalupe, then the new developments diri sa Banawa and Labangon area. There's Arthur Duterte Street na mahimo lang wala ba nahimo ng busy kaayo. Ay, Alejos Lechon. One of the best lechon mo to Alejos Lechon baguratan ni Labay. Pero mana akong maingon ba na paspas ang development diring lugar. This is sa una tingay sometimes i-ignore nimo Banawa or what's there in Banawa. But now di ba tagka na. And sometimes mahitabo na to ba na we don't expect things. Sometimes ka namang mga lugar na marapag i-take for granted na to, and suddenly in a few years it will emerge into kung ano mao na yung pinaka sikat na lugar or pinaka busy na lugar, mahimong BGC nagkalito, even BGC sa una sa naman Bonifacio, Fort Bonifacio, Campura na murag nga na ba o sa tao sad na never underestimate someone karon na murag abi ni mo murag unsa sila karon, but who knows sa destiny nila mo transform day, di ba? So mo na yung mahitabo lang na hey, let's always have sentimental value sa old, learn the lessons from the old, but also, you know, believe in the potential na lang, na our potential to change and to be better and to be the best that we can be. Mausa na itong message para ninyo, and thank you so much for watching, and see you na sa sunod na mga drives. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, comment man lang kung nakauyon mo o which place should we go next. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye bye.